Okay, you all may be seated.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. This is the agenda for the meeting.
Thank you.
Okay. How are you all today?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. First of all, Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. I would like to apologize for being late for our meeting today. Thank you to all of you that giving commitment to our morning meeting. But before we move to the main agenda, I would like to ask Mr. Rafa Izin, which is our project manager for apartment construction project at Dangabe that located at Johor Bahru, to recite prayers to make this morning meeting running smoothly.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Al-Fatiha. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, you make it easy at our business today. You make our meeting today. Hopefully, this meeting will be a meeting that Allah. Amin, amin, ya rabbal alamin.
Amin, amin ya rabbal alamin. Thank you, Mr. Rafa Izin, for the prayers beside. Alright, without wasting any moment of time, can we all call this meeting to order?
Yes.
Mr. Secretary, are there any apologize for absent today's meeting?
About that, Mr. Chairman, there is no absence for today and all of the management of project are here.
Thank you. We can proceed to the next item. Regarding of the minutes from the previous meeting,
Yes.
are there any amendment?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, there is a correction about the budget that have been set for apartment of the project at Dangabe, Johor Bahru. The amount of the project is not 4,500,000, but it's 5,000,000. So the amount, the budget is not too high and too low. It must be taken seriously because it's about the company and the and project money. So, Mr. Arif, I hope you do the correction as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Naswa. I will take a note and change the total amount of the apartment project. I will make it necessary.
Are there any other amendment?
Yes, based on the previous meeting, the total amount of our skill is not 20% import from China, but it is only 10 skilled workers from China and 10% from our own country. Thank you.
Okay, I will take note and change the data information.
Is there anybody else who want to add?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I have one problem to add. From our previous minute meeting, the type of circuit that we use for the project for maintenance system is series circuit. After I make the double check-up from previous meeting about this problem, I assume that change must be done between the parallel circuit to series parallel circuit.
Alright, Ms. Hazoni, and thank you so much for that information. I will carry it as soon as possible.
Okay. Is there any amendment else that all of you want to add?
No.
No. Alright, thank you. Can someone propose the previous minute be passed as a true record?
I propose the minute to be passed as a true record.
Yes, I second motion.
Okay, let's continue with our target for today. Today is Thursday, which is 16 May 2019. The objective of this meeting is to discuss about the progress and any problem related on our apartment construction project at Dangabe, which is located at Johor Bahru. So, I would like to invite Mr. Rafa Izin, our project manager for this project. But before that, I would like to know more about the budget that we have set for this project. So, Ms. Nasuha, you may present about the budget right now.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. First of all, my name is Nur Nasuha binti Azman, and I am officially a treasurer for this company. Okay, without wasting any time, the total amount the budget we have set for our last previous meeting is about 5 million ringgit. For information, we just had accident about the amount because we get our increasing of investment around 1 million ringgit. We also managed to get people who know to buy our apartment. It is around 94 people. Of this item must be listed into the company account. Because of this, people will attract to our apartment after it finished in the construction.
Alright, I will immediately transfer all of the data information into a company's book.
Good job, Ms. Nasuha, for the information. Alright, right now, Mr. Rafaizin, you may present to us about the construction flow.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Chairman. My name is Muhammad Rafaizin Ramli, and thank you for all of project position. Mr. Imanuddin from Project Architect, Mr. Anik from Project Consultant, Mr. Hazwani from Project Engineer, and Mr. Aiman from Contractor Leader. Alright, for attending today's meeting, for information, there are 3 apartment building need to construct, which consists 9 story of each building. Right now, almost 25% has been fully constructed. Our project start from 9 March 2019, and the estimate of time this project, I think 2 years, because you usually using IBS system IBS. The total cost of this project amount 5 million ringgit. Alright. For now, that's all information about the project.
That's good. Alright, next, who's the engineer? Could you explain more about your position in this project?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My name is Nazwan Imindul Mahazli, is the official engineer for this project. I am responsible on the maintenance and plumbing system of the apartment construction project. Until now, I managed to plan my role, and the plumbing system have been set at the construction by all of my workers under me. All of the plumbing system and wiring have been matched based on the design perfectly to ensure that there are no error occurring. I also discussed my team, and we set for the cost maintenance system is 300 per month.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Azwani. Next is Mr. Aiman, who is our contractor leader. Could you explain your role?
Yes, I am. Okay, you know, my name is Amirul Aiman bin Junaidi Mutahid. I'm the contractor leader. Overall, all of the flow have done well, and all of the workers at site have been taught by discipline on construction to ensure that there is not any danger at construction site. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Aiman. Based on Mr. Rafaizin information, the project consists the collaboration of architect, engineer, consultant, and contractor leader. So, I would like to know more about the design, because last time our meeting only focused about the material needed. If you would mind, Mr. Imanuddin, who is our project architect,
Alright, Mr. Chairman.
could you stand up and present about
it's
your
my-
role?
Alright, Mr. Chairman, it is my pleasure. Can I start?
Okay.
I have made a slide for this meeting. Okay. This slide is about our construction of the apartment at Johor Bahru. Okay. The project involves the construction of 9-story apartment at the Johor Bahru. The land that used for construction project is 6 acres. The project is expected to be complete in May 2020 using 70% of IBS in the construction process.
Okay, that's good.
It also use high cost, which is 5 million ringgit Malaysia.
Okay.
Okay, the next what material we use in the construction. Okay, first is external wall. External wall we use interlocking block. The internal wall we use the drywall system. Next, beam and column. The beam and column we use the in situ concrete using metal formwork. The ground slab we use in situ concrete. And last is roof truss. We use prefabricated metal roof truss. Okay, this design of the apartment. You can see it. Okay, this the floor plan. then the long the side and wide of the apartment.
Okay.
This the elevation, and we have 9 story and 10 story include the roof. Okay.
So
And
the building using lift
we use
stairs or just stair?
no, we use lift.
Lift.
Yes.
Lift and stair both ada.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, this the apartment interior design. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, you
Thank
may
you.
be seated right now. And thank you, Mr. Imanuddin, and thank you a lot for the slide presentation of the project. Next, I want to know more about the material supply. Is there any issue you want to add? So I would like to hear the explanation from our consultant, which is Mr. Anik, about the building material. Is there any problem with the supplier that you have set with?
Alright, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Hello everyone, and glad to meet all of you today in the meeting. I am Muhammad Azim bin Zabidi as the position of the consultant in this project. For now, all material supply from supplier are smoothly controlled based on our latest plan. Our supplier is from Affordable Abodas Sdn Bhd, Teranju Jaya Steel and MDPH Sdn Bhd. Our company have used to use the same manufacturer company because they have done a great collaboration with us on the previous project. All of the company listed also have give us an affordable price and good quality for the building material for this project.
Well, that's good to hear. So, can you explain more about the building material used?
Yes, based on the design, I have made discussion with Mr. Imanuddin about the material used. We have achieved it and agreed to use full IBS material on this construction project and gather collaboration with IBS company.
Okay, thank you a lot, Mr. Anik. Now, I would like to know if there's any problem on this project or during the construction period. All of you may tell if there's any problem that you want to share, and we want to overcome it right now.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. However, the project progress in only 25% done. This is the main problem that I want to discuss. The first reason why it happened is because of our skill level at the site of 20 people have been reduced to 10 people. This is because 10 people have resigned as head of labor because of unprofitable salary reasons. It gives a problem to semi-skilled labor and unskilled labor to continue the construction process because lack of knowledge in installing in IBS component. In using the IBS method, we must have enough skilled labor to join the IBS component perfectly to avoid construction ruins due to lot of strength at the building. Thank you.
Okay, based on Amirul Aiman problem, which is our contractor leader, is there any suggestion else that all of you want to add to solving this problem? Because this is quite a big problem to our project and may delay in our project period.
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman.
Yes?
I think that the company should hike among the salary a little. We can use the company investment income and it's not big deal because after this project have fully constructed, we gain the income back our buyers. I think that was the best idea in our company still improving from day to day. And our income will affect at all because right now many company wanted to join and cooperate with our company.
Thank you for the suggestion. After hearing explanation from you, I assume that the salary will be automatically high up. And for the workers, can anyone, Amirul Aiman to tell all of your workers that the salary will be high up, and you must search for another worker that's skilled. And can anyone propose the suggestion as a true solution?
Yeah, I second the motion.
Okay, is there anything problem else at the construction site? You may tell me.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
The next problem we face is weather problem. In the last 4 months, Johor Bahru hit heavy rain and thunderstorm throughout the all day. So I just think about it after after the construction have been 80% done, the purpose of maintaining might be affected by the weather. We just cannot expect about the weather, but I think that is the fact enough if we think about the solution to the weather. Because it's heavy rain and thunderstorm hit our construction site, life risk must be affected by the maintenance to equip wiring and plumbing progress. And I think the same thing happened to all the company construction worker right now.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Azwani, for your report. The weather is something that we cannot control. However, we need to find a way to make sure the workers be able to work in safety during the construction period. Mr. Secretary, do you have anything you want to say?
Yes, I think I will already write down all the problem that Ms. Hazani said. I will discuss this with the Human Resource Department about the salary and about the weather problem. I will try to discuss with our client about the estimation time because this is a nature problem.
Okay.
Alright,
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman. During construction process, I noticed one problem that we need to settle it as soon as possible. Based on my observation, our project, which is located in Dagabe, is an area where people around the use on the road their routine way. Our heavy machinery risks people life when we want to do the process of sending material into construction site. So I think that we need to change the timing of sending material into construction site, because we usually do that at the time people use the main road. I think it is fair enough if we don't eat at night, and the company must pay a little to install spotlight at the construction site.
Absolutely, we must take serious for this issue. So, is there any other suggestion to overcome this problem? I want to put the solving based on the majority.
Mr. Chairman, I have another suggestion. I think we can do it based on our usual time, but we need to put our workers or the security to handle the road to avoid any jam traffic issue. If we prepare the signboard and handle the road efficiently, we can save our company budget than buy new spotlight for solution at night.
Alright, that's absolutely a great idea. Mr. Secretary, please list up both of the suggestions. Okay, right now suggestions are closed and let's solve by majority.
I choose Mr. Anik suggestion because it is a win and win suggestion between our company budget and people safety. Thank you.
Me too, Mr. Chairman, because it is an ideal idea to solve the issue.
Okay, based on majority, I assume that we took Mr. Anik's suggestion on our solving for the issue. Someone please propose the motion.
Mr. Chairman, I second the suggestion.
Alright, Mr. Chairman.
Is there anything problem us? I really looking forward to all of your problem. So tell me if there's anything you want to add.
Okay, I am very strict construction leader and important to the welfare of my employees. I have problem. Lately, all of my workers under me complain that the receiving of the material is not proceeding by time. I took this issue seriously because I don't want any on time waste, because all of my workers have been taught to do work according to the timetable and procedure. They claim at me they want to have time to with their family after work done. So I think that this problem should be overcome immediately because I understand the feeling of my workers. Is there any resolution about this problem?
Alright, thank you for the problem. But before that, I want to hear explanation from Mr. Anik, who is our consultant for the project, because this problem is very related on the supplier that was handled by him.
Okay, about this problem, I have been informed about this lately. I am apologizing for the mistake behalf part of the supplier. Lately, the supplier tell me that they have problem on the transportation issue.
Okay.
The lorry have the problem on engine system, and most of another lorry are used to transport material at another construction site. That is why the material are late at the moment because they are waiting other lorry to come as a replacement. But not need to worry for that because they managed to do some maintenance on engine and it will be 100% maintenance by the end of this week. So I hope you can inform to all of your workers to be patient, and I am really regretted for the issue.
Okay, glad to hear that, and I hope that this problem may be seconded by someone because I assume that the problem have achieved an agreement between both of you.
Alright.
Okay, right now, we can proceed to our special business. Okay, now let's proceed to our special business for today about the exclusive dinner at Tissel Hotel. Me as a chairman, I agreed to approve a dinner at Tissel Hotel. I had secretary determining the cost of expenditure for the dinner. Arif, can you prepare the worksheet?
Yes, I will prepare the worksheet.
Thank you, Arif. So, shall we close this discussion for now and continue to the next item?
Yes.
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 Okay, thank you. Our next item is date, time and venue for the next meeting.
Mr. Chairman, for the next meeting will on 11 November 2019, Monday, 9 AM at meeting room. I will send notice if there is any change.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, anything else? Any question? Comment? No? Well then, thank you for coming. Will someone propose the meeting to be adjourned?
Yes, I propose the meeting to be adjourned.
Seconded?
I'm second the motion.
Thank you. The meeting is adjourned. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.